Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Just take a look at this fantastic new arrival in the form of the Porsche Cayenne T V6. It's finished in this beautiful white metallic paintwork and complemented perfectly with the Porsche Crest embossed leather interior. The car is 2019 on a 19 plate and has covered 30,512 miles. The car comes with full Porsche history and it has a whopping, believe it or not, £16,751 of optional extras. Now, hopefully I won't bore you with all these, but I'm going to run through them just so you know. So we've got the smooth leather in standard colours, 2331. The 21-inch Cayenne turbo design wheels, painted satin platinum with wheel arches in the exterior colour. That's £2,151. We have the sports exhaust system in black at £2,012. The adaptive air suspension with levelling system and height adjustment, including the Porsche active suspension management, that was £1,511. The adaptive sports seats in the front with integrated headrests and memory package, £1,406. The LED main headlights in black, including the Porsche dynamic light system, £963. Bose surround sound system, if you love your music, lovely crisp sound, £956. The tinted LED taillights, including the light strip, that's £590. The exclusive design gear selector, £581. The 4-zone automatic climate control, £581. Park assist, including the surround view, £522. Privacy glass from the B pillar backwards, £354. Heated windscreen, blessed in the winter with that, and that was £336. Porsche Crest embossed on the headrests, £320. Front heated seats, £308. Ambient lighting, £287. I promise you I'm nearly done. The automatic dimming exterior and interior mirrors, £252. Preparation for Porsche rear seat entertainment, £245. The Sport Chrono stopwatch with compass instrument dial, and that's in the white as well to match the car, that's £245. Model logo embossed on the centre console armrest, £219. Heated steering wheel, another winter blessing, £189. Porsche logo painted in the black, £185. Wheel centres with full colour, £114. And finally, the fuel filler cap in aluminium, £93. As you can see, it's probably one of the best specs cars out there. It's phenomenal to look at and even better to drive. This is a beautiful Porsche product, specially hand selected by AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you ever so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, our award-winning sales team at Leeds are on hand to answer any questions at all. We offer extended warranties through the UK's #1 warranty company, Warranty-Wise, and we also have a panel of lenders to help with any of your financial needs. Thank you ever so much for watching and bearing with me through all those options, but I think it's important to know. All the best and hope to hear from you soon.